Okay, children, let us practice reading once. झूला अम्मा आज लगा दे झूला इस झूले पर मैं झूलूंगा इस पर चढ़कर ऊपर बढ़कर आसमान को मैं छू लूंगा झूला झूल रही है डाली झूल रहा है पत्ता पत्ता इस झूले पर बड़ा मजा है चल दिल्ली ले चल कलकत्ता झूल रही नीचे की धरती उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल बरस रहा है रिमझिम रिमझिम उड़कर मैं लूटूं दल बादल Now I'll explain you the poem. Jhula means swing. What is Jhula, children? Swing. Amma aaj laga de Jhula. Here one active child like you came to his mother and is asking, Mama, please tie a swing for me today. इस झूले पर मैं झूलूंगा I will swing on that swing, he's saying. इस पर चढ़कर I will get on to that swing. ऊपर बढ़कर I will swing so high. आसमान को मैं छू लूंगा I will swing so high such that I'll touch the sky, he's saying. What is he saying in this para, children? He's asking his mother to tie a swing. He's saying that he want to swing there on that. And he's saying, Mama, I'll get on to that swing. I'll swing so high such that I'll touch the sky. झूला झूल रही है डाली. What is happening, children? Along with the swing, even the branches are swinging. डाली झूल रहा है पत्ता पत्ता. Pata pata are leaves. Now the swing leaves are also swinging. इस झूले पर बड़ा मजा है. Children, we feel very happy while swinging, isn't it? The child is saying that. इस झूले पर बड़ा मजा है. चल दिल्ली ले चल कलकत्ता. We can go anywhere we want, he's saying. Now he's saying that he goes to Delhi and Calcutta. Now children, you can choose your place of your choice. Where will you go? Yes, very good. झूल रही नीचे की धरती. Even the land below the swing is also swinging. उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल. With the swing, now the child is flying. बरस रहा है रिमझिम रिमझिम. Now on swing we go up and we come down. We swing from that side to this side. Now this child is expressing his feel with the word rimjim rimjim, moving that side and this side he is saying rimjim rimjim. Udkar मैं लूटूं दल बादल. That means finally he is concluding all his feelings like saying, Mama, if I swing, I feel like as if I have gone into the sky and I feel like as if I am flying in between the clouds there. Okay, children, hope you understood the poem. Now, let us read the poem once again. Okay, children, before our reading practice, let us once see the entire poem in English. These are all the words of a small child, small active child like you. Okay. Jhula, swing. Mama, come tie a swing for me on the tree. I want to swing on it. I will get on to that swing. I'll swing so high such that I will touch the sky. Mama, not only me and the swing, even the branches and the leaves also swing. Swing. I love swinging and swinging, I will reach Delhi, Calcutta, and any place I want. Mommy, not only me, branches and leaves, even the land below me also swings. I will fly and fly and fly and reach the sky, and I will fly in between the clouds there. So please tie a swing for me, mom, he asked his mother, and hope maybe listening all these words, surely his mother might have tied the swing. Yes, children? And then surely the child might have enjoyed his swing ride. Okay. Now let us go on with our reading practice. झूला. अम्मा आज लगा दे झूला, इस झूले पर मैं झूलूंगा, इस पर चढ़कर ऊपर बढ़कर आसमान को मैं झूलूंगा। झूला झूल रही है डाली, झूल रहा है पत्ता पत्ता, इस झूले पर बड़ा मजा है, चल दिल्ली ले चल कलकत्ता। झूल रही नीचे की धरती, उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल, बरस रहा है रिमझिम, उड़कर मैं लूटूं दल बादल। Hi children.
Hi madam.
Yesterday we saw our Jula poem. Yes?
Okay madam.
Now let us sing our poem with action. Okay children?
Okay madam.
Okay then. Start your poem children. Jula. अम्मा आज लगा दे झूला,
अम्मा आज लगाए झूला,
इस झूले पर मैं झूलूंगा,
झूले पर मैं झूलूंगा,
इस पर चढ़कर ऊपर बढ़कर
इस पर चढ़कर ऊपर बढ़कर
आसमान को मैं झूलूंगा।
आसमान को मैं झूलूंगा।
झूला झूल रही है डाली,
झूला झूल रही है डाली,
झूल रहा है पत्ता पत्ता,
झूल रहा है पत्ता पत्ता,
इस झूले पर बड़ा मजा है,
इस झूले पर बड़ा मजा है,
चल दिल्ली ले चल कलकत्ता। झूल रही नीचे की धरती, उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल, बरस रहा है रिमझिम, उड़कर मैं लूटूं दल बादल। Very good. Hope you liked our video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel and please press on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.